And we are here now at Galleries Lafayette. Ooh, this is my first time here. We went here by metro, and that's the metro station. Here is the Galleries Lafayette. Let's get inside and explore this luxurious, glamorous shopping mall here in Doha, Qatar. Everything in this store are very expensive because they are all branded. That even me, I don't know this name that this is branded, but everything is very, very nice. Very nice talaga. If you have lots of money, you can come in this store and buy things you would like, you would love. Because you look at this is all very, very fine. Everything is fancy. Look at this bag, see? Like Cinderella, princess. You're a princess, this is your purse. It's very pretty. That's very pretty. Gosh, that's very expensive. What's the name?
Haute Gala.
Haute Gala. Wow. How much the price?
We'll find out.
It is.
Only 80 reals.
1,200 reals.
1,200. Oh, looked like 80.
Fancy bag. This bag. First, different one. Look at that.
That's perfect.
Yeah, it's pretty. Oh. That's it. This is pretty too. Stones, Swarovski stones.
I like this, except I don't like this.
Ah, that one. This is pretty pretty. Check the price. How much the price? Look pretty bag.
34 reals?
3,400.
34 reals.
3,420 reals. Here's the empty shoes. You see the price? 660 reals. Wow. We are here outside now of the shopping mall. So we are here. This fancy place that have air conditioned outside here at Lafayette Galleries in KATARA. Here is my grandson. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
That's where these things are.
Oh, this is the air condition? Wow. Air condition outside. Yeah. This black hall here are all air conditioned. Ah, look at that. What's that? The only
place in the world with outside air conditioning.
Yeah, outside air conditioning here.
Comes out of the ground and goes straight up into the air.
Yeah, this one is all air conditioned. Down,
Yeah.
down here.
Very nice, actually.
Very nice. Yes. Look at this. It's pretty. That. This is they eat outside because the air condition is here outside, and it's not that hot because they have this condition outside. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good night. Take care, y'all. Bye bye for now.